The skin node is straightforward. Most of it has been covered before. The node retrieves the arcs collection from the model. The polylines are extracted from the collection and lofted to create the panels. Next, the area of each panel is calculated, and added to the polygon as an attribute called area. Here we can see that areas on the polygons. Next, the collection of panels is created. We can see the collection appear in the attribute table. Finally, the area from the polygons is pushed up to the collection. We can now see the total area for the roof surface. The number of decimal places is rather high. So one more step is taken to round the number to 2 decimal places. Now we can see the rounded number.